Hey there. So, in this week's newsletter, we're going to be going through 7 different systems that every business owner should be thinking about going into 2026. We're going to be going through CRM, your CRM system, your onboarding system. What are some different AI platforms that I personally use in my business that help me stay super efficient, as well as making sure that I am staying on top of everything for my clients? In this newsletter, we also have a few links that you can actually utilize some of these systems for free, as well as a referral engine that we've personally built out a course specific to help people with understanding how do you actually set up a system to get more referrals from the people that you're meeting with. So this is going to be an awesome newsletter. There's links in the newsletter for you to actually utilize some of these systems for free, as well as great systems that you can utilize going into 2026. So hope you like this week's read. And as again, thank you for your time and reading our Work Less, Win More newsletter.